To the stories, the first prosecuting witness in the alleged rape case against Lagos-based Bishop Oluwafeyiropo Daniels has told an Ikeja Special Offences and Domestic Violence Court that the cleric raped her twice in his home in 2020. The state government also rearranged the defendant, founder and senior pastor of Rearraigns Christian Family Church, on an amended 3-count charge of rape and sexual assault of 3 women whose identities are concealed in order to protect them. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. We have details in this report.
The first alleged victim, who is an assistant pastor at the Akungba Ondo branch of the defendant Feyi Daniels Church, told Justice Rahim Oshodi in a lengthy testimony that he initially summoned her to his Lekki home to serve a punishment for not attending a ministers' conference. On getting there, on January 17, 2020, when she was alone with him, she says he ordered her to strip naked. He allegedly said he wanted to punish her and make a covenant with her, to which she replied that covenants are made with blood and not by taking off one's clothes. She says she also told him he isn't her husband and that such an order is against his teachings. The witness says he told her he was teaching her about honor, being her spiritual father. She eventually undressed, and the defendant allegedly told her he wanted to have sex with her to prove her loyalty, saying he too had done such for his own spiritual father, one prophet Babajide of CAC, and that he obeyed the order without asking questions. The 23-year-old says he told her to put her clothes back on and tell no one about the incident. On January 19, same year, she says the defendant again summoned her to his house to answer another query. The punishment was for her to transcribe his sermons. The following day, the defendant allegedly ordered her to the sitting room and told her to strip naked. When she did so, he was said to have locked the door, increased the volume of the TV set, and took off his clothes. She says he pinned her to the ground, raped her until she bled, and warned her not to tell anyone or else she would run mad. According to her, Bishop Daniels didn't allow her to leave the house and again raped her 2 days later. Under questioning by lead prosecutor Babajide Boye, she says there was no means to escape and that she was scared he could hurt her. Later that month, she told the court she suffered vaginal tears from his violations, which she told him about, and that he asked her to come to his house. This time she met him with his family and says he told his wife she had a toilet disease. He took her to a Lekki hospital where she was given drugs after running tests. Defense counsel Adebayo Adigbite objected to the admissibility of the witness recorded and screenshot WhatsApp conversations with the defendant, but the judge admitted the printed documents as exhibits, ruling that they also formed part of the proof of evidence which had earlier been served on the defendant. The witness will be cross-examined on May the 24th.